Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Cjournal token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Cjournal as a read to earn project aims to create transparent and credible on-chain news and reviews for the crypto industry. Cjournal committed to building a decentralized journalism platform where anyone can become a publisher. It allows media professionals to operate independently of traditional media platforms and capital, and to publish authentic, objective, and accurate news. In return for reading and reviewing articles, users earn rewards. C general token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 589.41 million CZL token. CZL token is listed on xt.com and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.